So this is the Icarus macro grip module, Icarus Precision, that I got from my 365 right there. Macro. This is the grip mod from Icarus Precision. And oh, I just can't wait to see this. I'm showing you guys through unboxing. Here's the grip mod. And wait. So I got the extended mag release as well. I'm putting into the grip mod. So when you're dropping a mag, you don't have to adjust your grip at all. Just hit the button. It's out a little further, and it's not triangle like the rest of these are. It's actually square. It's kind of like that. This is an Icarus A.C.E SOCOM blue line grip module. I actually bought this from a friend of mine. That grip module is awesome. I love Icarus Precision. If you got big mitts, this is the way to go. They're aluminum, and they're just a little heavier, and it helps with recoil a lot when you're shooting. All right, let's get to the grip mod. This thing's beautiful. Look at that. Nice deep right here. Beaver tail is nice and long. Oh yeah. This is the SIGxmacro grip mod, Icarus Precision. And they just do a really good job with the machinery. I have to insert the mag release inside. And I can't show you guys inserting it. I can't do anything. I can't take that slide off in front of you. Guidelines, policy guidelines in YouTube. So what I'm gonna do is just show you this. Turn the camera off and I'll have it all assembled. I'm gonna put the slide from the macro onto this grip module. And yeah, this is, oh man, it's perfect. It just fits nice. I mean, this one does too. I'm not loaded. This does feel good. Don't get me wrong. This is the macro. This feels excellent. But this little spine back here that sticks out is really makes it bulkier. But at the same time, I think they went in a little bit here. Yeah, it's just, wow. Talk about ergos. That's nice. And it has a thumb ramp. I'm into knives, so thumb ramp. It's more of a thumb shelf, whatever you want to call it. There's one on both sides, so it's ambidextrous. But yeah, that's nice. This thing's sweet. Just the beautiful work they do. Billet aluminum. All right, let me swap the slide out and I'll show you the slide off the macro on this. All right, so the macro slide is on the SIGxmacro grip module from Icarus Precision. And the thing is, this is nice. And what's great about that extended mag release is it does stick out a good distance. But when you're shooting, you don't have to, you just hit, hit the thumb, it comes right out. No adjustment and nothing. On the 365, you have to adjust your grip in order to push that button in. And you can't even, I'm pressing it right now and I can't drop it unless I adjust my grip. But if I'm holding it, so that's what's great about this. Hit it, drops. 365 XMacro grip module from Icarus Precision. And I am gonna keep this slide on here. I like the slide. And the ambidextrous thumb ramps. Very comfortable. It's actually kind of cool because when your finger's not in the trigger, that's a good resting spot for your finger. kind of, you know, if you have a hard time putting your finger somewhere, that's a good reminder. The XMacro grip module at Icarus Precision, I got this Black Friday at midnight, the night before, Thursday at midnight, and they went on sale, and they sold like this. They're not even available anymore. I'm making a build right now. I have an M17 fire control unit I'm buying off a friend, and I am getting the SOCOM full grip module from Icarus as well, and that's not available yet. I did hear from a little birdie that they are making about 400 of them right now, the full SOCOM full 320 full grip modules. And they should be out in about a week or two. And that'll be part of my build with an X5 slide. This thing's awesome. It's got so much grip. It's like cross-hatch stippling. It's so comfortable. It's really grippy. It's nice. And here's the OEM stock grip module, Sigxmacro. You see the differences. That's cool, I just saw that little slot in there. And the major thing is the cutouts deeper here for a longer beaver tail, and this spine back here. And you got a little more contour for your bottom two fingers here over the stock one. Just kind of barely of a curve. All right, guys, thanks for watching. 365 XMacro grip module from Icarus Precision.